the kangkong. You wash it properly, and after this one, you can chop it into small pieces. So okay, and do like this. Until you cut it all into a very small pieces, so that after you cook you taste not only the kangkong but also the spices as well. So we start cooking. First, the ingredients that we need. First, the kangkong. So we put it into the big bowl. Be sure you cut it into small pieces. And then the salt, spoon of salt. Okay, and next is the soy sauce. Same, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And the black pepper. Okay, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So you mix it all and mix it well, and then the egg, 1 piece of egg, and then again you mix it. And now let's put the cornstarch, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, and then 1.5 cup of flour, and again you mix it. This is the final look like. So all the ingredients is already mixed there, and after this one we fried it. Hello guys! Ngayon, atin nang titikman ang ating recipe na tinatawag na crispy kangkong. Kung masarap ba to o hindi. Okay? Meron tayong ketchup, yan, mayonnaise, at meron din tayong homemade sauce. Kung gusto nito magawa ng homemade sauce, tuturuan ko kayo kasi ito ay masarap at ginawa lang namin. Kaya comment below kung paano gumawa nito. Okay, tikman ko na. Oh, wala akong rice. Waiter, rice please. 1 cup of rice please. Ayan, ang bait ng waiter namin. So ngayon, titikman ko na. Wow, it's crispy. And then, with my homemade sauce. Wow, ang sarap. Ayaw ko na lang gumamit nito. Medyo maanghang siya. And then, it's so yummy. Then yung sauce din natin sobrang sarap. So, kainan na. Kung gusto niyo dito sa mayonnaise, pwede rin. Pero, I think masarap itong homemade sauce ko. Kaya, kain na tayo guys. Thank you for watching. I hope mag-subscribe kayo sa aking video. Kung gusto niyo mag-gawa nito, tuturuan ko kayo. At marami pa tayong mga vegetarian foods na gagawin. Kaya subscribe!